You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, heated side mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, battery saver, mirror memory. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.